Hey everybody!
Hey guys!
So it's peach season!
Yeah! Let's get peaching!
Let's do it. Let's make it an amazing
Peach crisp!
Yes! Okay, so it all starts off with the most delicious fresh peaches.
Oh, and they make the most amazing filling ever.
Oh, with the sweet and crunchy topping.
Oh, all baked to absolute perfection.
We're here to tell you folks, this is one big old bowl of pure comfort food.
Oh, and it's made even better with a spoonful of ice cream on top.
Oh, and when that ice cream starts to melt into the crisp.
Oh, it is a spoonful to remember.
So welcome back to How to Feed a Loon. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My peachy loon.
Yes, I'm peachy. I'm very peachy keen.
Peachy keen.
That's so 80s.
I love it. I love it. It's a perfect word because what we are making is peachy keen. You're making a
very
crisp.
peachy
It's so delicious.
keen. This is so good.
Peaches are in season. It's the middle of the summer, and they're just everywhere. You got yellow peaches, white peaches.
Yes, look at how gorgeous these peaches are. Oh, now you got two types of peaches. You've got the freestone, which means they come away from the pit or the stone very easily, or you've got the cling or the what is it? The
Cling stone.
Where it's just a little tough. You got to work at it a little bit. I love them both. The one that you'll probably get the one that's most readily available will be the cling on. No, the cling on.
The cling on. Yes. Well, right. And we love to kind of venture out and go find an orchard. We have some orchards in East Texas
so great.
with the most amazing freestone peaches.
And you can't just go to an orchard. They've got this cute little shop. You got to go get all this wonderful stuff.
I know. We have a blast getting them. And he even gets some peach ice cream.
Hello, of course you've got to have peach ice cream.
I know, it's amazing. So let's get started. So as you might guess, it all starts with a humble peach.
Sweet peach. First we need to remove the skin.
Oh, this is easy. Just boil some water.
Carefully toss a few peaches into the water for about 30 seconds.
Fish them out and cool them in a nice ice bath.
Now, if you've got freestone peaches, the skin should slip off easily with a little help from your digits.
I love working with my digits. All right, now if it's a clingstone, you may need a small paring knife to help get the skin off.
Okay, it's time to remove the pit or the stone.
If you've got a freestone, simply cut through the peach and around the pit.
And just gently pull the two halves away from the pit.
The pit should easily come out of the peach.
Now just cut into slices and set aside.
For a clingstone, you can cut slices next to the pit.
Yeah, and carefully remove each slice as you go.
Fabulous!
Peachy! Oh, those look so good.
Those are beautiful. You could sit there and eat that whole bowl of peaches just like that.
I know.
That's what I love about this filling is because it's really simple and it lets the peaches be the star.
Oh, y'all. Oh, okay. Now this is about 8 to 10 cups of peaches. And it's easy to remember because you just have to use 8 to 10 peaches.
Usually it's 8 to 10 peaches, yeah.
Now, we're going to make this even better. We're going to add a half a cup of sugar.
Yeah,
oh, forget about it.
Sweeten things up, baby.
Oh, that looks... Oh, all right. Okay, I got to contain myself.
Keep going.
All right, we've got a tablespoon and a half of cornstarch.
It's going to thicken things up a little bit.
Yeah, that gives it a little thickness.
Yeah.
And now we've got that's a tablespoon of lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice.
I'm telling you, it's bright, it's sweet, it's delicious.
Look, Ma, how am I doing?
Oh, you're doing good.
Now I'm just going to mix these all together.
So I have to tell you a little story. So every single morning we get up and you know our dogs ebb and flow.
Oh, it's
and
like clockwork.
They demand that we walk them all around the neighborhood. So we like it too. It gives us a little exercise.
So funny.
And in doing that, we get to meet neighbors and other dog walkers. And during the school year, we have an elementary school that's right across the street.
Yeah.
And there's this lovely woman that's a crosswalk. She donates her time. She's a crossing guard. Yes, and she's super sweet. Her name is Shelly, and she just moved, her and her family, so we didn't get to get a picture together. But she is the most amazing baker, and she got us on this peach craze. Because she would go to East Texas and get all these amazing peaches and cut them. And because they were moving, she had all of these peaches in her freezer, and peaches freeze beautifully. She gave us like 12 pounds of peaches.
You came home and I was like, what are we going to do with all those?
I know. I was like, that is really peachy. But anyway, hi, Shelly.
Hi, Shelly.
We're doing this in honor of you. All right. How's it looking there, Loon?
It's looking fabulous. Okay, now we're ready to move it into that greased 9x13 pan.
Yeah.
Now, is that grease or butter?
It's butter.
All right.
peachy goodness. And now we're gonna turn this into a crisp.
Yeah!
In a medium-sized bowl, add 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of flour.
I do love some brown sugar.
So good.
Now whisk that until fully combined.
Now, cut in 1 stick of chilled cube butter into the sugar mixture with a pastry blender.
You could use 2 forks, couldn't you?
Oh, yes, of course.
Now, let's stir in 1 cup of old-fashioned oats.
Oh man, this is gonna be the most delicious, sweet, and crunchy topping.
I love sweet and crunchy.
This stuff is so
I
awesome.
love this topping.
It's
I
gonna
love it, love it,
go
love it.
right over these gorgeous,
Yes.
gorgeous peaches.
Just pour it. Just come on. There we go.
It may seem like a lot, but it's going to melt and it's going to be fantastic.
so
All right,
good
you
looking.
spread that around.
I will.
What I love about this dish is that it's just so easy to put together. It's great in the summertime when you need a quick dessert. Of course, peaches are fabulous as a peach cobbler, a peach pie.
Oh,
we love that, but
I
that requires
do.
making the dough, the crust,
yeah.
and all. And
this is just really simple, and it's rustic looking. I love that.
I know.
Yes.
It's awesome.
Okay. All right. Now let's get this baby in the oven.
Let's do it. We've got our oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's going to bake for 1 hour and 10 minutes.
I can't wait.
Oh, we have peach crisp.
Yes, we do. Oh.
Hooray, hooray, hooray.
Love it.
This baked for 1 hour and 10 minutes. It was just the kitchen and house smells incredible.
Ridiculous.
So we took it out. It's literally like molten lava. So you need to put it on a baking rack like this, but only like 10 minutes, and then the Loon can like heat it
Yes,
up.
and
You
then
want to
just-
serve it piping hot, I think.
Yes.
Okay.
Here, I want mine first.
Oh yes, of course. What am I? Yes. All right. Look at this, and it's just, it's a combination of that crisp on top.
Oh yes.
Oh my gosh. And those peaches have just become. I'm going to give you a nice.
Yeah,
good
give me
help.
a big old heaping helping, please. Thank
Oh,
you.
that's heavenly. Look a little more. Oh, my gosh. That's crazy.
Y'all, look at.
Sir, this. I mean,
I'm just showing them right now. Look at that wonderfulness.
that is amazing. That is sheer. That's a work
It's
of art.
missing some ice cream. is
Well,
what
we
it's
can
missing.
fix that real quick. So we
yes.
got our favorite Bluebell ice cream
Oh, and
here
then
in
it
Texas.
melts it a little
melts.
bit.
Oh, isn't that incredible? Yeah. Yeah, folks.
Okay, yeah. I'm going to dig right in. Y'all,
Yeah, that's a thing of beauty.
I love it when the ice cream melts.
I
I'm
know,
sorry.
I know.
And,
No,
and
it's
it gets
true.
it crispier.
It gets it really.
Oh.
I am giddy. It's just.
I can't.
Speak. Yeah. It is the
Oh, that's so good. Those peaches, and
know.
with the sugar and just the mixture to make them all soft and even more delicious. Then that brown sugar and the oats. The brown sugar.
I know. I mean, you don't need a crust. I mean, crust is great, but that is.
Yeah,
just-
this is just, I love this because it's like, you whip it together.
It's easy,
And then
I
you
know.
throw it out, people are like, okay, well, that's
Okay,
great.
well, I guess I will.
I'll eat
Thank
it.
you.
Y'all, that is so good, and it's 1000% Loon approved. Oh, I love peach season.
I do too.
I always, when we get peaches when I was younger, I always forgot about how juicy they were. So I would just be like, and I'd be like, okay, I've got like peaches all over my
Yeah,
face.
that's probably where
and
they
my
came
hands.
up with peach fuzz, because you had a layer of it all over. This is phenomenal. You guys, you cannot believe how great it is.
No.
It's so easy.
It's so good.
And
I just want to show them again this wonderful, look at how, it's still warm.
it's
I
still
love
warm. Yeah,
this.
I mean, I would recommend serving it warm.
And look at the ice cream. Okay.
It's great for like a barbecue, like when everyone's like having fun. I'd say just stick it in the oven, and then when bring it out hot. Oh my God! I just love how easy it is. You serve a bowl to guests, they're just going to be so like, wow, this is incredible.
I know. And the ice cream completely puts it over the top.
Same.
Oh.
I have a love affair with fruit desserts. I
Yes,
just think they're
totally.
so great. Like for one of my favorites since I was a kid is homemade cherry pie.
Oh, yes. Or what about your chess pie and you use fresh raspberries on it?
Right. Oh my gosh. You guys, enjoy summer.
Yes.
Get peachy with it.
Yay! Hey, Get peachy. I'm getting peachy.
Bye.